ang kanimaon ni siya'y pinaka-fresh, bag-ong haon gikan sa akong kasing-kasing. Dili pa ni siya bahaw bisag gahapon pa kay wala pa nako ni mabasa. So anyways, here we go. There's no place like home. Where I can see the beauty I made by myself. I embrace the grace of clouds beneath. I have coped with challenges entwined through years. And I embrace the answers I dared not to ask, but just bear. Oh, diba? Here the floors know every step I have traced. Its broken tile marks my wealth of experience. I hold the light that fills each empty space in every corner. It has made me strong from then and forever. I stare at my bed, the witness of my inner burst. Tears were like rivers down a mountainside with thirst. Where water never ran with full abundance. Yet hope holds fast where my faith takes a chance. I now savor the triumph wrought by my silence. As enemies learn from their own embarrassment, they cannot condemn a heart which becomes wiser. Like wine, it grows tastier as it gets older. Yes, that was written by yours truly, M.E. DJ M.E. Helen Sarita.